Dear student, this is Dr. Yas, and in this video, you will learn about the gravity and orbit. So here is the model of the gravity, orbit, and its scale. Now I explain it one by one. So first of all, there is a so first you here you can see this is a sun, earth, and next sun, earth, and moon. And next is earth, moon, and next earth and satellite. You can also on and off the gravity, and in this area you see gravity force, which we indicate with the blue color, velocity with the green color, and path. It's a motion of the part, and it's a earth. So here is a you can also increase or decrease the mass of the sun, and mass you can also increase and decrease the mass of the planets. Now we move it the motion. So first we see the motion of the uh, sun and earth. So let's start. Now, you can see the earth is moving around the sun in its orbit, and if we show its gravitational force, it's a gravitational force, and we can also see its velocity. It's a velocity, and we can see the path of its motions. It's the path, and next we can also see the great path. So you can now see the motion of the earth. Similarly, if we increase the mass of the star, mean the sun, what is going to happen? And now you can see its orbit is becoming lesser and lesser. So orbit change with the change of the mass. Now, on the other hand, if we change the on the other hand, if we change the mass of the earth, there is no effect on it. So that's why Earth's mass of change, because Earth mass is large. So now we move on other, and here is other the sun, earth, and moon. Let's try 8. Now, when we try is, so here, now I started the motion of the earth and its motion. So if you would like to see the gravity force, so it's a gravitational force between the sun and the earth, and if we would like to check the velocity, it's a velocity of the moon and sun. And here you can see the velocity of moon is on the R in the loop form. So for check, if we click on the path, what is going to happen? So now you can see the path of moon, and it is the form of the loop. So here is the loop which you are going to see. You can see here. So you can also see the graph. So it's the motion of the three. Number one star, the sun. Number one planets, and then the earth and moons. No, we can see the motion. We stop here and we see the motions of a motion of the sun, motion of the moon around the sun. So let's start. it. Now you can see the motion of the moon around the earth. Here we can also check the gravitational force, velocity, earth, and the grid. Now let me check if we change the mass of the earth, what is going to happen? Yes, it's path change. So on the other hand, if we change the mass of the moon, what's the effect? I think, is there effect? Yes, it's also affect on its orbit. So it's the motions of the earth and the moon. Now let me check. You see, let me check the other motion, and that is the motion of the satellite around the earth. Let's move, check, and here you can see the motions of the satellite around the earth. As you know, there are a lot of satellites are moving around the earth, and they are providing us the signal. Let me check is the gravitational force and also velocity and also path. So its path, they move in the orbit and grid. So motion. So now you have to see the motions of the sun and earth, motion of the sun, earth and moon, motion of the motion of the sun and earth, and the motion of the sun, earth and moon, then motion of the earth and the moon, and motion of the satellite around the earth. So I hope that now you have understand the concept of it and how they move. So you can also see if you keep in mind the concept of planet and star and how it planet is moving around the stars. So I hope that your concept is clear and now you have understand the concept of gravity and orbit. If you like